Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this really cool portable blender. Now this is a 17.5 ounce blender, but it is so great because it is portable. So it came in this nice tube here, and I've already put some oatmeal in here just to show you how you can use this to bring along, whether you're bringing fruits or different drinks. You can easily seal it up in this little container, put it in here, and you are ready to go. Now you do have this, it is completely rechargeable, takes around 5 hours to charge it up, but they do give you that cord. And one thing I really like is when you try to turn it on without this on here, it does error out. You have to have this or the smaller one included on there, and then it will tell you your battery life. So to be able to use this, all you've got to do, you've got an open spout right there, is you pour in your ingredients. I mean, super simple. So I'm going to pour in some oatmeal here and we will get it crushed up because this does have a 120 watt motor. Put this on here and we will close it up. Now it does also have a little carrying case. So if you wanted to carry it with you, have it all ready to go. Whenever you're at the gym, then you're ready to have your smoothie. You just simply press the button and you can see that all grinding up in there real nice. You just have it on there and shake it up a little bit, get it all, whatever texture you want it to be at. I mean, that's pretty cool. Whenever you're finished, you can either open it right up, you press in the button. Say this was a smoothie, you can open it up and drink it right here. Or if you wanted to not mess with the blade, you can actually dump this thing upside down, put this off to the side, put this on, and now you actually have your own little cup to have your smoothie, and then it could fit down into a cup holder, have your little drink, put it on your wrist, and you're ready to go. Now, as far as this dirty part, this is where this comes in handy. You just put this on, seal that up, and then you can wash this whenever you get home. And you have this nice portable blender to blend up smoothies, whatever you're wanting to have, and compact.